our Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolution. Ito, unboxing tayo. Tingin tayo. Okay. Okay. Our Pokemon. Magkuha tayo ng 3. Harapan. Sana mayroong rare Pokemon. Ito. Sino to si Gengar. Diosis. Rayquaza. Uy! Mewtwo. Okay. Mewtwo. You have a good one. Mewtwo. Uy! Celeb. Hindi. Hinahanap natin yung old Pokemon. Lucario. Raizawa. Cernessa. White Kyurem. Lyshouse. Wala. Lucario. Heatran. Galide. Oh, Mewtwo na naman. Okay, good. Okay pa rin, it's good. Sceptile. Gyarados. Uy, Charizard. Okay, we have one Charizard there. Charizard. Kondom. Reshiram. Kyogre. Raizawa. Kyurem na naman. Kyogre. Glaceon. Oh, daming Mewtwo. Yan, 3 ng Mewtwo. Okay. Ang last card natin, sana meron tayong rare. Si Pikachu. Ay, nako, hindi. Kyogre pa rin. It's okay. Meron naman tayong Charizard sa unang karton. Charizard, may 3 Mewtwo. Okay, it's okay. Second box. Yellow ang karton. Try again. Hirap. Okay. Oops. May natanggal isa. Uy, may damage. 1, 2, 3. May damage na card. Okay. Hydreigon. Dragonite. It's okay. Dragonite. Dragon pa rin. Lucia. Ano tong Tomb. Ay, Whimsicott. Okay, Groudon. Genesect. Jirachi. Cernessa. Lugia. Theosis. Ay, naku po. Visicion. Oh, Mewtwo na naman. It's okay. Ang Dragonite ay damage ang Dragonite. Sayang. Hundom. Cobalion. Uy, Blastoise. Nice one. Meron tayong Blastoise. Good. Groudon. Artissimo. Saba. Mewtwo na naman. Okay, Mewtwo. Daming Mewtwo. Pikachu sana. Pikachu. Rayquaza. Quaza ba yan? Thundurus. Charizard. Yun. Nice. Meron tayong Charizard. Tsaka Blastoise. Parang wala yata tayong Pikachu. Tsaka Bulbasaur. Oh. Torchic-Quack. Volcanion. Ako, last card. Last card. Pikachu, sana may rare. Ay, nako. Rayquaza naman. Okay. That's all. At least, nakakuha tayo ng 2 Charizard. Ito. Hindi naman luminous. Charizard pa rin. It's okay. Pero meron tayong Blastoise. Yun, Blastoise. At meron tayong 5 Mewtwo. Meron tayong 5. Mewtwo, tsaka isang Dragonite. Damage siyang, ano, pero okay lang. Bababang value nito. Pag packaging. Okay, it's okay. Very good. 2 Charizard, at tsaka isang Blastoise.